Hey guys, so for today, we just decided to go live and we're planning on posting it on all of the social media platforms so you guys can see us try this food. What are we having today?
We're trying a new restaurant in the town. It's called Crazy Pupusa and More. I love pupusas. So, this was a bonus. The cashier messed up when we got there and we waited for like 10 minutes. They did have our food done really fast actually, so I was surprised with that. But because we waited, they gave us a chocolate cake with flan on top and it smells divine. Want me? Keep going?
Yeah. Oh. Food was brought to you.
Well, you have food there too. Okay, so I got chicharron pupusas. I don't know. I thought it was going to be on top, but maybe it's not. Comes with some sauce. Looks like coleslaw and some peppers.
Next is...
Oh, these are the California fries with shrimpies.
They smell delicious.
Oh, they smell really good. And this has to be Randy's birria tacos.
Tacos!
Oh, those look good too. Oh, I hope they gave an extra cilantro lime season dressing. I asked for that. You want to open up the other pack, please?
Alright.
It comes with the normal stuff that birria tacos come with, because he didn't explain anything. So it has the consomme, comes with a lime. I'm not sure exactly what this is, but this is cilantro lime. And then 4 tacos.
Woo!
What was that?
Hi everyone. My phone is making weird sounds. Alright. So, first little container. I think it's beans.
They are beans. I don't need to smell them to know.
They look like Taco Bell beans.
They just smell a little funky though.
Rice smells good.
Looks like Mexican rice. It's yellow or orangish.
I think you got more rice.
Yeah, one for each of us.
It smells good. And I think this is more beans. Yep, more beans. If you didn't have enough beans, now you do.
You said you wanted one. Please let there be a cilantro lime in there. Yes! Smells like tomatoey. I don't really know what kind of sauce that is.
Dip your finger in it.
Oh, well, yeah, I guess so.
Hello, guys.
Where's my chicharron?
Oh, thank you for completing our... Oh, we completed a live gift goal. Thank you so much. I think this is the first time I've completed it, so...
Chicharron in there?
Maybe we should start doing this more often. Because, yeah. Thank you so much. We appreciate it.
Is that everything?
Yep. Alright, so where do you want to start?
Fries.
Yeah, me too. Alright, so these are called California fries. Trying to get a little bit of everything. She is not, because she doesn't like vegetables.
Yeah, I don't want the...
Watch out for
I think that's
I think the
onions.
tails are still on them.
Get the hell out. No, it's not.
It's not? Okay.
No.
Good.
The shrimp is good.
I personally, because I like, I like putting hot sauce on everything. I want hot sauce on it. But
Go get some hot sauce.
Good.
What is that pink stuff?
I don't know.
Usually it's like pickled onions.
That might be what it is. I'm a big person on hot sauce and ranch on my fries. Which side do you want so I don't put it on it?
I don't care. You put it all over it.
I probably am.
fries are actually really good.
No, the fries are delicious. Alright, now she's trying the rice and beans. But you can't really go wrong with rice. Never mind, you can.
The beans are alright. Not really flavored. The rice
I
is
don't
good though.
think I'm going to try the beans. They look like Taco Bell's beans. These fries, though. Thank you guys for joining us on the live today.
They're really good.
Yeah, I like it. I'll give the rice a try.
That bite was very vinegary.
I don't really like the rice. Yours look fresh, mine doesn't. It doesn't taste
switch.
fresh either.
We can switch. I like Uncle. I don't mind the hard rice.
Yeah, I like this better.
Some people say the hard rice, the sticky rice at the bottom of the pot, is a delicacy and fight over it. I was taught that it's called con con or pagao.
Actually, usually fried beans aren't that bad.
They're just not very flavorful.
You think so? I think they're pretty
I don't
flavorful.
think so.
Can you try these thingamabobbers? Try them.
I ripped it open because I was looking for the chicharron.
So what exactly is it?
What is a pupusa or a chicharron?
No, papusa.
It's a flour tortilla that's stuffed with things, typically meat and or beans and cheese. It does have something in it, sorry, but that does not look like chicharron. So I'm not really sure what it is, but I thought I was gonna have a pile of it on top or on the side because we ordered it to go. I'm kind of curious what this is.
This.
Do you have one?
Oh, it's coleslaw.
Is it coleslaw? It don't look like coleslaw.
It smells like it.
Oh, okay. Well,
I
I don't
hate
want
the
to eat that.
smell of coleslaw.
Yeah, I know you don't like cabbage like that. That's the best part.
Like a pancake.
Yeah, except for it's stuffed.
Oh, you were serious about trading?
Oh, serious.
I don't think this is a fair trade, but alright.
You gotta get your consomme out. Yeah, I'm taking out the onions. Oh, actually, I'm gonna try it with the cilantro dip first.
It's just bread and beans.
It's not beans. It's supposed to be pork. But it has cheese in it too.
I could take a. I was about to say it tastes a little cheesy.
He's like, I don't like it.
No, I gotta give it a couple bites before I decide. It's fair for her, not for me. It was like, it is fair. Did you see her
tacos.
face?
Yeah, 4 tacos.
Oh, that was a hot sauce.
It's really hot. I hope mine's not hot sauce.
It's not bad. It's just, I don't know how I feel about it. Would I order it? No. Yeah, she happy as heck. No. What are you doing?
You gotta have
You've taken it too far.
You gotta have the full effect.
Oh, that's a lot of lime though. I'm almost full, and I haven't even eaten a taco yet.
Well, your taco's really, like, stuffed.
I know, I could tell.
It's heavy as fuck.
I don't know. It's good.
It's not for everybody because if you don't like corn tortillas, you probably won't like it.
I don't think it's that. It's just the flavor combination throws me off. Like,
The cilantro sauce is really fucking good.
yeah, I love it. Like, you said it's meat. It took a while to taste like meat.
Yeah, because I don't...
Right? So
I guess
it
it's
wasn't
not
just
what I
meat.
was expecting. I usually have the meat and bean one. I wanted to try one with meat, and that's not what I was expecting at all.
Wow. These tacos are tacoing. We keep eating like this, we're definitely gonna need a gym membership. This is why.
I told my boss today. He's like, girl, you can take a break if you need to. I'm like, nah, I'm good. I'm trying to get these hours in. I need to lose this winter weight.
True. Well, thank you guys for joining my live. I can't really turn it off right now though.
I don't know how to turn it off.
There's like a power button all the way in the corner. The right corner.
Alright guys, we're gonna get up close and personal here.
Right corner.
Oh, the right corner. Bye. Who's that? Swipe left to close. What did I do? I didn't push the button.